I have had it up to here, you know what I'm saying? And I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know that sometimes you really just have to stop stressing out and just make a decision to be happy. You feel me? You just gotta be happy sometimes, y'all. You just gotta be happy, you know what I'm saying? When you didn't have it up to here, you gotta bring it down to about right here. You know? You feel me? Don't let these people stress y'all out, you know? Do not let none of these circumstances stress you out. You gotta make a choice to be happy. You feel me? You gotta make a choice, y'all. You gotta make a choice. You cannot choose unhappiness. You know? I think y'all feel me. You know what I'm saying? So, I ain't gonna stay on here too long. I just wanted to drop a little word of positivity, you know, in y'all, in your soul, in your spirit. I just wanted to drop a little positivity. You feel me, y'all? I know y'all do. But yeah, so y'all have a good night. You know, make sure that y'all book y'all massages. That's always top on the list. You know, top on the list. Personal care. Yes. Making sure that you're putting yourself as number one. Value, self-esteem, you know. But all right, y'all. Y'all have a good night. Smooches. I'm going to wait for a few more people to get in before we start the discussion. Yeah. Hope everybody's having an amazing night. We're just going to talk just a little bit, about personal care. Your personal care routine. Are you feeling amazing tonight, guys? I hope so. I'm feeling amazing. You feeling amazing in your own skin? Are you? I hope so, because I am feeling amazing. Hey, guys. It was too intense. Too intense for my ops. We didn't play any games. We didn't leave any evidence behind either. And yeah, watch your back. Definitely watch your back. Definitely watch your back. And your front. And your sides. And your tops. And your bottoms. Because if you're seeing this message, that means we already got you. We already got you. So, you know, this is just for you to know that it's not a game. It's not a game. Nope. It's not a game.